be all right, buddy.
Damn rooster.
One of the things, you know, out here is, I think I've said it before, that we're like a no-kill ranch as far as we do eat animals, but those animals are specifically raised to be eaten. This guy here is a raccoon. I'm sure everybody knows that. And they are predators. And they eat our eggs, they eat our chickens. They just, if they get into a cage, they just wreak havoc. And but one of the things that we do not do is we do not, any animal, we don't hurt them, we don't harm them. We try to put as less stress as possible on them. We put them in a live trap, we capture them in a live trap, and then we legally go relocate them somewhere else to live out their lives, just not here eating our chickens. Hey, right, buddy. They're very aggressive animals. They have opposing thumbs, so they're amazing. They can unlock things, unlatch things, can grab things, move things. And they're amazing animals. If you get them when they're young, you can tame them. But when they get this age, not so much. If I stuck my finger in there, I would come back. My finger would come back all gnarled up, you know. But she's scared. I think it's actually a female. She's scared. And so, like I said, I ain't gonna mess with her very much more, other than legally transferred to another part of our property where we won't have to worry about her unless she makes her way back here. Sometimes they do, but I don't like killing them. We're not going to kill them. We're not eating them. We don't kill them. So anyway, hey buddy.
Yikers. You're not very happy, are you?
Alright, I won't mess with her anymore. You know, even though they don't scare me, I'm still very, very, I respect them very, very much. Alright, see you in a bit. Go on, buddy, you're free. Go on. Go on. Go. Go.
And I wonder what's gonna come of me. I see see a dark cloud rising, and I wonder what's gonna come of me. And now, when I die, won't you please remember me? Next time I hobo, gonna have my woman by my side. And next time I hobo, gonna have my woman by my side. And if you make it to St. Louis, folks, stop by on the other side. I'll see you.
Design.
Just replace it with sheet metal.
Metal, yeah. But do this design.
What year is this?
2007.
2007. You would think I would know that.
Classic.
But you are a classic.
Yeah.
Making a bobber out of it.
Yep, so, and here's my dilemma. This one, I just think it'd be cooler if it's not to come off with a sissy bar right here to cup your butt, keep you off of going back on your fender, and just cup up with a nice sissy bar right here. So sissy bar back here then.
Yeah, and then you can still tie stuff on to your bumper if you had to. I mean your fender, you know.
Yeah, like a sleeping bag. I mean, where you can put your sleeping bag right here.
Yeah. Or
Front, use it as a backrest.
or a case of beer.
Yeah. Where does I need your help with this. I need to know where this suspension is actually moving.
Right there.
Is this affixed right here?
Yeah, that rock
Or
man.
does that work off? Because that mono shock is all the way up here.
Right. There's a mono shock.
So, is this whole thing here move along with these?
Yes, it what's that word? Cavitates.
So all this moves too, you're saying?
My understanding, like on a Harley, yeah. I mean, that's what they base it off of. That's what it is. It's basically a soft tail.
That would be a pivot point there.
It's a very nice carpet you have.
Thank you. Yeah, I forgot to vacuum today.
Dark cloud